Cameras on drones is not a new concept, but Snapchat's newly announced Pixy offers an interesting take on the product category. Instead of being controlled by the user, the Pixy flies itself and follows the user like an adorable little creeper. The device, which is about the size of a CD case, pairs with a smartphone and uses its 4 propellers to take off from and land in the user's hand. The company says the rechargeable battery supports about 5 to 8 flights for capturing video and images. Pixy uses different preset flight patterns to make it more user-friendly than a typical drone. Hover lets users take selfies and direct Pixy to pan its camera. Reveal lets the Pixy fly high above users for wide-angle views. Follow lets the Pixy just tag along behind the user, and Orbit lets the Pixy fly circles around the user. The device includes a 12 megapixel sensor that can shoot up to 100 videos or 1,000 photos and then store them locally on a 16 gig drive. When it's done, Pixy will wirelessly transfer your snaps to memories in Snapchat, after which users can edit the videos and add sounds and filter effects. Even with everything on board, the Pixy still weighs less than a quarter pound. The Pixy starts at $229, and that means it'll be marginally upsetting if it ever malfunctions and flies off into the woods without you. And since it's so lightweight, the Pixy is not ideal for windy conditions unless you like to stare wistfully at the horizon while your significant investment flies off into the sunset. I'm Ben Munson, and this is IEN Now.